This video showcases creative ideas from urban gardens all over Kent in southeast England. The first few gardens you'll see are open for the NGS, the National Garden Scheme, and wherever you are in Britain, you'll probably find an NGS garden, a private garden, open somewhere near you. So look in the links in the description below for a link to the NGS. And the later gardens are from my own town, Faversham. We do a Faversham Open Gardens on the last Sunday of every June, and we have 30 gardens open, and it's just it's a historic town, and it's just a lovely garden festival. So if you're in Kent, come and see our gardens, and if you're not in Kent, if you're anywhere else in the world, enjoy this video to see some of the best English town gardens in May when they're absolutely at their best. It's Alexandra here from the Middlesized Garden YouTube channel, bringing you ideas, tips and inspiration for your garden. If you've enjoyed this video, do please give it a thumbs up, because then I'll know you want to see more videos like this. And if you haven't subscribed to the Middlesized Garden YouTube channel, please do. You get tips, ideas and inspiration, and we upload every Saturday, so I hope to see you again. Thank you.